This video introduction to the Power Tower Nano aims to familiarise the operator with controls of the machine and help him or her operate it both correctly and safely. The operating procedure follows closely the Nano Operating and Maintenance Manual, which is available in hard copy as well as a PDF download from our website. If in doubt, always refer to the operating manual. It is specific to the Nano product and assumes that the operator has had some formal safety awareness training. It is essential that the machine has a current Lola tag. Please ensure suitable PPE is worn at all times. Before using the Nano, it is important to carry out some pre-operation checks on the machine itself. The Nano should only be used internally on hard level surfaces free from debris. Care should be taken to ensure that there are no pothole, drain holes or covers that the Nano wheels could drop into. The work area should be cordoned off from pedestrians or other site traffic. Look above to check there are no overhead hazards such as live power cables, tracks or other obstructions. Always check the machine is in good and safe working condition before using by carrying out the following checks. Inspect the handrails, lifting structure and chassis for signs of mechanical damage. Check the swivel casters and wheels are undamaged and fixings are secure. And ensure the swivel casters manually lock. Check that the fixed wheel auto-lock system is functioning when the platform is elevated. Check that the wheel fixing clip is in situ. Ensure the battery is fully charged. You will find the battery charge condition indicator on the pendant controller. Before checking battery, ensure suitable PPE is worn. Check the electrolyte level in each of the battery cells. The electrolyte should be covering the plates by 1 to 2 mm. Check the connections and make sure the battery is clean. Using a hydrometer, check the specific gravity of each cell in the battery. The hydrometer should read between 12.8 and 12.85 and all cells should be equal. Check the raise and lower functions operate on the pendant controller. Check the hydraulic oil level indicated on the power pack is correct, with no visible signs of any hydraulic leaks. The Power Tower Nano is for internal use only and should be operated on hard, flat, level surfaces only. Push the Power Tower Nano into position. Before operation, check for possible overhead obstructions. Cordon off the work area as identified in the risk assessment. Apply both caster brakes. Check the spirit level to ensure the Power Tower Nano is level and safe to use. Ensure the battery isolator and emergency stop buttons are released. Check the manual emergency lowering controls are working. Follow the emergency lowering procedure. Then load the platform with the tools and equipment required to carry out the task. The Power Tower Nano is a one-person platform with a safe working load of 200 kilograms. Always ensure the pendant controller is secured in the holster position before attempting to elevate the platform. Enter the platform, closing the gate securely behind you. Continually check for possible overhead obstructions. Never place the pendant controller anywhere but the designated holster position. Depress the up arrow button for elevation, depress the down arrow button for descent. In the event of uncontrolled travel, depress the red emergency stop button situated on the pendant controller. If the pendant controls are not operating, in the event of complete power failure or if the operator is incapacitated, make the designated ground emergency operator aware. The emergency manual lowering valve should be operated. This is done by pushing in the red knob and twisting to the left. This will safely lower the platform to the ground position. Ensure the valve is reset. This is done by pushing in the red knob and twisting to the right. The Power Tower Nano has specific fork truck telehandler pockets. These should always be used to ensure safe, secure loading and unloading from vehicles and loading areas. There are 4 tie down and lifting points, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. These should be used for securing the machine during transportation or while the unit is being lifted. Following these guidelines will ensure that you have a safe and productive time using this machine. If in doubt about any of these guidelines, please refer to the operating and maintenance manual.